All right, let's get down to brass tacks. There is this pervasive myth floating around the gun counter. This idea that if you are not dropping 4 figures on a pistol, you are somehow compromising your safety. Let me tell you right now, that is absolute nonsense. We are living in the golden age of manufacturing. In 2025, the market is flooded with hardware that runs hard, shoots flat, and feeds reliably, all without requiring you to take out a second mortgage. I am not talking about cheap pot metal range toys that jam every third round. I am talking about tools, fighting implements that I would trust on my hip in a parking lot at 2 a.m. just as much as I would trust them on the square range. We are looking at 7 9mm platforms that punch way above their weight class. From modern micro-compacts to the duty-grade legends, these are the budget kings that actually deliver. Let's get into it. Number 7, the Taurus G3X. Now, I know what some of you snobs are thinking when you hear the name Taurus. Put those prejudices aside for a second and look at the specs. The G3X is doing something really smart here. They took a compact, concealable slide, which is great for appendix carry, and they mated it to a full-size frame. That is the mullet configuration of the gun world. Business in the front, party in the back. What that gives you is 15 rounds in the magazine and a full firing grip. You can actually get your pinky on this gun. That means when you are running Hot plus P defensive loads, the gun is not trying to jump out of your hand. I have seen these things eat everything. Steel case Russian junk, aluminum case, and high-end Hornady defensive rounds. It just chews them up and spits them out. Is it a custom $2,000 race gun? No. But for a sub-$300 price point, the reliability is undeniable. The grip texture is aggressive enough to stick, but it won't sandpaper your stomach. The trigger has a long take-up, sure, but the break is clean and the reset is short enough to get work done. For the money, the G3X is a serious contender. Number 6, the Ruger Max 9. Ruger looked at the micro-compact market and said, "We can do that, and we can do it for less." This thing is tiny. It rivals the footprint of the old single stacks, but they worked some engineering magic to cram 10 or 12 rounds into that magazine. That is a lot of firepower for a gun that disappears under a t-shirt. But the real selling point here is the slide. Most companies make you pay a gunsmith tax to get an optics cut. Ruger sends the Max 9 out of the factory ready for a micro red dot. You take off the plate, you drop your optic on, and you are modernized. If you are an iron sight shooter, they didn't skimp there either. You get a tritium fiber optic front sight that glows like a beacon in low light. I carried one of these for months. It is snappy. Physics is physics. It is a small, lightweight 9mm. But if you do your part with grip mechanics, it tracks flat. It feeds reliably. It conceals effortlessly. And the price tag usually hovers around $400. That is a whole lot of capability for the coin. Number 5, the Canik P9 Elite Subcompact. If you follow the channel, you know I have a soft spot for Canik triggers, and the TP9 Elite SC is no exception. Out of the box, this trigger embarrasses pistols that cost twice as much. We are talking a distinct wall and a break that feels like snapping a glass rod. The reset is tactile and audible. You know exactly when you are ready to send the next round. Capacity-wise, you are looking at 12 rounds flush, or 15 with the extended base pad. That puts you in full-size fighting capacity territory. The ergonomics are fantastic. It comes with interchangeable back straps so you can dial it in to fit your hand size perfectly. It feels substantial. It is a little thicker than some of the other micros, but that extra girth helps you clamp down on recoil. The machining on the slide is clean, the finish is tough, and yes, it is optics ready. I have run these hard in wet conditions and dirty environments, and they just keep chugging. For a street price often dipping below $450, the value proposition here is insane. Number 4, the Smith & Wesson M and P9 Shield EZ. This is a specialized tool, and I am glad it exists. Smith & Wesson identified a problem. Not everyone has the hand strength of a 20-year-old construction worker. Folks with arthritis or just weaker grip strength often struggle to rack the slide on modern striker-fired guns. The Shield EZ solves that. The slide manipulates with almost zero effort. You can rack it with 2 fingers. The magazines have these little load assist tabs on the side, so you are not busting your thumbs trying to get that last round in. Internally, it is actually hammer-fired, which gives it a surprisingly crisp trigger pull. Capacity is 8 or 10 rounds. Is that the highest on the list? No, but 8 rounds of 9mm on target is a lot better than a sharp stick. It shoots incredibly soft. The recoil impulse is gentle, making it a fantastic option for new shooters or anyone who is recoil sensitive. At roughly $400 to $450, it is the most accessible defensive pistol on the market, period. Number 3. The SIG Sauer P365. This is the gun that changed the world. Before the P365, you had to choose between capacity and concealability. SIG Sauer shattered that paradigm. They invented a tapered magazine design that allows you to stack 10 rounds into a frame that is smaller than most 6-round guns. It literally killed the single-stack 9mm market overnight. The ergonomics are stellar. It points naturally. The bore axis is low, and because it is so popular, the aftermarket support is endless. Holsters, sights, grip modules, you can build this gun to be whatever you want it to be. On the range, it is snappy but predictable. Once you get a rhythm going, you can drive tacks with this thing at 7 and 10 yards. It has proven itself to be reliable with all major defensive ammo types. You are paying a little more here, usually hovering around the 500 mark, but you are paying for the innovation that set the standard for the entire industry. It is the benchmark for a reason. Number 2. The Springfield Armory Hellcat. If the SIG started the war, the Hellcat escalated it. Springfield came out swinging with a micro-compact that holds 11 rounds flush and 13 extended. That is a lot of lead for a pistol you can hide in a pocket holster. The Hellcat is built for the fight. The grip texture, which they call adaptive grip texture, is aggressive. When you squeeze it, it locks into your skin. It is not going anywhere, even if your hands are sweaty or bloody. The sights are excellent. You get a high-vis tritium front dot nestled in a U-notch rear. Your eye just snaps to that front sight instinctively. And of course, get the OSP model. That stands for Optical Sight Pistol. Mounting a red dot is seamless. I have put thousands of rounds through Hellcats. They are rugged little tanks. Springfield famously ran one of these through a 20,000-round torture test, and it was still ticking. For around $500, you are getting a combat-ready micro that maximizes capacity. Number 1. The Glock 19 Gen 5. You knew this was coming. You cannot have a list of reliable, affordable 9s without the king. The Glock 19 is the gold standard by which all other compact pistols are measured. It is the Toyota Hilux of the gun world. It is not the prettiest, it is not the flashiest, but it will run until the heat death of the universe. The Gen 5 brought some welcome upgrades. They finally ditched the finger grooves, so it fits everyone's hand now. They added a flared magwell for faster reloads under stress. They added an ambidextrous slide stop, and the Glock marksman barrel actually tightened up the accuracy noticeably over the Gen 4. With a standard capacity of 15 rounds, it is big enough for duty use, but small enough to conceal inside the waistband. The aftermarket is infinite. If a part exists, they make it for a Glock 19. You can find these used or blue label for great prices, but even brand new, you are looking at $500 to $550. For a gun that is trusted by special operations and law enforcement globally, that is a bargain. It is simply the most versatile handgun on the planet. So there you have it. 7 affordable options that do not compromise on the things that matter. Whether you grab the budget-friendly Taurus G3X or the legendary Glock 19, the most important thing you can buy is not the gun. It is the ammo for training. A $1,000 gun in the hands of an untrained shooter is useless. A $300 gun in the hands of someone who trains every week is formidable. Pick the one that fits your hand and your budget, and then hit the range. If you dug this breakdown, do me a solid. Smash that like button, hit subscribe so you do not miss the next upload, and sound off in the comments. Tell me what you are carrying today. I read all of them. Train hard, stay safe. I will see you on the range.